everyone, in this video we will make a soy sauce chicken recipe. For the ingredients, it is there
500 grams of chicken meat, sweet soy sauce and hot sauce, spring onion, 5 garlic,
fish of ginger, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon broth powder. And for how to make it is follows. Before, we apologize that the video on how to make it is incomplete, but we will explain it in full. First, fry the chicken. Next, leave and drain. Then, fine pepper and salt. Next, add garlic, ginger and fine. And then, stir-fry the spices that have been pounded. Next, pour enough water.
Then add sugar and broth powder, cook until boiling. Next, put in the chicken. And then add sweet soy sauce. Next, add hot sauce. Then add onions and spring onions. And finally, cook for a while and the spicy soy sauce chicken is ready to be served.